Okay, so I got my top antenna, the mast, and the top two sections strapped down on the Kubota. Gonna bring them down and hopefully connect it all together. It into where I'm going to approximate that other section's going to come down. So far, so good. We put it in four-wheel drive. All right, try it again. Small mush. Now we're going to see how good I did on lining up the hinge. All right, let's stop her right there. Okay, I see a problem already. If you look at the way that hinge is pointing, them giant overhangs right there, I'm pretty sure are going to get in the way of the antenna when I'm trying to raise it. So that might be I might have to try and get all the way up there and cut them down. Okay, one of them bolts gave me a little fuss up there, but I needed a hammer to tap it out. So I laid this section down, and we're gonna see how close we're gonna get. I mean, that antenna is like 20 foot high, the top one. So I suspect we're gonna hit that, but let's check it out. Okay, I did not want to bring the Kubota any farther. It is just a soft mess. So I've got it here. This is going to be a little challenging just doing this solo, but I think I can get it. Let me get the bolts and I'll give this a try. And I brought that wood stand in the back of the side-by-side to set under this thing so it's setting up in the air a bit. Okay, I might get lucky on this branch. It's going to be a real close one. The tower is together. And it is so mushy out here, you can hardly even walk in rubber boots. I was a little bit off on where I aimed, but now it's all a learning curve. So it's ready to start mounting a couple of antennas, and then we're going to go from there. Rock and roll, baby.